Hi, this is Jim Rio at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, the #1 Chevy dealership in Illinois. I'm sitting in a brand new 2021 Suburban. I'm going over some of the things. It's a Premier, so it's got everything you can think in here. And something that's a little bit different than what people are used to, you can operate the seats right here while you're sitting in the front, which is really nice. This right here on this button, you can see all I got to do is press this down and you'll hear the seat come down in the back. But you can operate the seats just like I did from right here sitting, which is a nice feature because you don't have to get out of the car, you don't have to walk around the back. You can just push the seats down, and then if somebody's in the back and they're putting stuff back there, for an example, we're a couple days away from Thanksgiving, so you want to throw in your turkey and all your stuff back there while you go over to your kid's house or whatever you're going to do. That's all you have to do is do it right from here, sitting right here in the front seat. If you happen to be in Frankfort and you're looking for a vehicle, stop on by and see Jim. We'll talk to you. Have a great day.